Our tutorial for today is about substitution or replacing. So for example, in a game of football, if a player falls down or hurt himself, somebody else from the bench will come over and replace him or substitute him in order for the game to continue. So let's have a look at some examples for substitution. So if A is 7, find the value of letter A plus 5. So we're going to substitute 7 into A. So instead of A, we now have 7. So 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Now for 2A, when you have a number and a letter together, that means you multiply them. So instead of 2 times A, we substitute 7 into A. So 2 times 7 will give us 14. Let's do some examples. Just a reminder that when we're doing calculations using substitution, the rule for BIDMAS applies. So if A is equal to 7, B is equal to 10, C is equal to -6, D is equal to 8, and E is equal to 15, find the value of each expression. So for number 1, we have B plus D. B is 10 and D is 8, so 10 and 8 is equal to 18. For number 2, we have 2A plus 1. So 2 times A is 7, so that's 2 times 7, add 1. So that's 14, which is 2 times 7 is 14. Add 1 will give you 15. For number 3, we have 4 times B minus A. So B is 10, A is 7. So 4, using BIDMAS, you're going to do the brackets first. So 10 minus 7 is 3. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. For number 14, we have E over 3. So E is equal to 15. Divided by 3 will give us 5. For number 5, we have E square. Squaring means multiplying that number by itself. So E is 15. So square of 15 means 15 times 15. That will give you 225. For number 6, we have 2A plus 3C. So a number and a letter together means multiply. So instead of 2 times A, we substitute 7 to A. So that's 2 times 7. Plus 3 times -6. 2 times 7 is 14. Add 3 times -6, which is -18, will give us -4. Let's do some exercise. So I want you to press the pause button while you're working on this and press play again when you want to see the answers. So for number 1, you have A plus 6. A is -2, so you will have -2 add 6. Then your answer is +4. For number 2, you have B minus 9. B is 4, so 4 minus 9 is -5. For number 3, you have 2 times C. So C is -5, so 2 times -5, you will have -10. For number 4, you have A times B. A is -2 times B, which is 4. -2 times 4 will give you a -8. Number 5 is a combination of operations, so you're going to do BIDMAS here. So you have 2 times D, and D is 10, minus B, which is 4. So do the top one first. So 2 times 10 is 20, minus 4, divided by 8. So 20 minus 4 is 16, divided by 8, you have 2. I hope you got your answers right, and thank you for watching.